This is an inflatable paint booth. Top-mounted air intake for smooth airflow. Side carbon filters keep the air clean. Standard filters are easy to replace. Creates a stable, dust-free workspace. Made with premium Oxford fabric. Double-stitched for long-lasting durability. Thick PVC, clear and scratch-resistant. One person can set it up easily. Can be secured for extra stability. Inflates in just 25 seconds. Provides a clean working environment. Sloped top keeps water from pooling and rain from seeping in. Modern, sleek design enhances appearance and wind stability. Deflates and folds down to a compact size. Comes with a portable storage bag. Easy to transport and store anywhere. Ideal for multiple applications. Gives you a ready-to-use, portable dust-free workspace.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.